in Kenya, and we can see that climate change in Kenya is a major threat to food security in Kenya. Farmers like Florence are struggling to adapt to unpredictable weather patterns due to greenhouse gas emissions. Our affected group is smallholder farmers, and around 20 million smallholder farmers depend on agriculture for a livelihood. This graphic shows that average temperatures in Kenya have increased by about 1.5 degrees since 1960s, and this is shown per province over a period. We've also shown that there's erratic rainfall patterns in Kenya with longer dry spells and more intense rainfall events. In Kenya, we have over 80% of Kenya population relying on agriculture for their livelihood, making them vulnerable to climate change. Our solution is an app that guides farmers on when to plant and harvest based on climate change. This will reduce the risk of crop losses due to droughts or floods. Farmers will also be able to choose crops that are more likely to survive in changing climate conditions. This is our look and feel of our application called Shambani Hub. So the first, the splash screen, the next one shows the feature page, and the next is our open page. Okay. So what are our pain points? Our pain points is that our users need to be able to plan for the planting and harvesting seasons more effectively, and our user needs information on crops that are resistant to drought and floods and pests. Our recommendations that we will look at other applications, other farming applications as references to improve on our own Shambani Hub. What next would be if we got funding for this project, we'd be able to hire a software development team to develop the idea to an actual project. So why? So climate change is a major threat to agriculture. Farmers are already seeing the effects of climate change with extreme weather events such as rainfall, changes in rainfall patterns and rising temperatures. This is making it difficult for farmers to grow crops and produce food. So an application like ours, Shambani Hub, would guide farmers on when to plant and harvest based on the effects of climate change and would make it significantly.